Lily is being introduced to the goats. Hi, Lily. Hi. The goats are very interested. They want to say hi, but they're not quite sure. What is that? What is that underneath the trailer? That's a lily cat. The Lily's upset. You don't want to say hi to me anymore? Maggie's really nice. Maggie's such a good girl, eh? Look at this. Good girl, Maggie. Lily, you can say hi. That's Maggie. She's a gentle girl. And you're a good boy too, Steve. Right, Steve? No, he's such a love guy. He's like, and there's Gordon. Hi, Gordon. How you doing, buddy? How's your neck? His neck is so much better. Gordon's gonna go say hi. Go say hi, Gordon. Go say hi. She's on the back side of the tire now. Okay, I gotta go get Lily because the goats might scare her away. They don't mean to. They're being really gentle and kind.